Hello, this is Chris. Just finally got around to starting another video. Well, I've been working on these shelves. I got in a collection of trains, and all these shelves came with the trains. So I've been putting them together, or back together, because they were too tall for my basement. They were over 8 feet tall. I think they're about 8'7", and I made it a double shelf. I made it into a wall where I didn't have a wall in my basement. And that was one side. And this is the other side. This shelf is actually a 1x6, and the other side was a 1x4. So this one I can even put standard gauge trains on. You can see down there I have three standard gauge, and the bottom of that is a G gauge. And these are some of the trains right here that were in the collection, which were some JCPenney. They were sold by JCPenney, and they're Lionel trains. And I'll probably be selling these. They came with display cases, and those other two up there I'm going to keep. But I'm working on another shelf down here on the floor. This is another about, well, it's a little less than 8 feet now, but I'm putting the screws back in. I cleaned all the shelves. They were really dusty, and getting ready to put this side together. And this is, I think, maybe there's close to 15 shelves, floor to ceiling. And I put this one together. This is another 1x6 shelf. And the shelf on the floor is going to go behind this white one right here. So I'll have to build or cut a new backing for this, which is be masonite. It'll be the white, just like this shelf up here. Originally it had paneling, and it was getting broken and chipped up, and he had cutouts for his light switches on it. So I'll eventually show you this all put together. I'll show you a few other things. These are the boxes that were all the trains that I bought in the collection. The 4 boxes in the front are Lionel catalogs, and Lionel, I guess, from the back in the 50s and 40s and all the way up to 90s and maybe 2000s. So I'm gonna unpack all those and put them on these shelves. Like I said, a lot of them are really dusty, so I've got to clean them up. But these JCPenney's were in a display case covered by plexiglass, so they're not all dirty. So that's what I've been working on. I can show you my layout next. Here's the layout so far. One of the reasons I needed a lot of shelves is to put a lot of these trains on. So once I get all the shelves up, I'm going to move all these trains over to the shelves. And then over here is where I've been working on my extension. That's going to be the 4-track staging yard. And there's a couple more shelves that he had hanging on the wall. So I got to get all this straightened out and have room to work on my train. All these boxes over here are empty, and I hope that a lot of them will be the ones that were on the shelf, but these are all empty boxes. Some are reproduction, but these are in large, what they consider large size boxes with the flaps up. So I don't know how many boxes are in there, but it's got to be over 100. So that's all for now. Thanks everyone for watching, and hope to be able to do some more videos soon. I'll see you later.